Hi everyone, Michael Miller here to talk with you today about fire safety. Fire safety, after all, is about controlling that fire, making sure things don't get out of control. One thing I like to make sure of is keeping everything in the confines of a fire ring, even blocks around a fire, just making sure that nothing falls out. Secondly, if things do get out of control, I like to make sure that I have good gloves on hand just to get everything if there's something outside the fire ring that belongs in the fire ring, let's get it back in right away so that kids aren't tempted to play with it, or you never know what's going to go wrong. If things really get out of hand, there's always good old water. Put the wet stuff on the red stuff and make sure you're safe about it. And finally, one of my favorites is if you can find a fire pit with a snuffer lid. This snuffer lid is going to put the fire right out. At the end of the night, you don't have to throw water on it. You don't have to worry about staying up to make sure that it's not going to get out of hand. That snuffer lid will put the fire right out. There you go. Remember, fire safety is about control. Control that fire because we don't want a wildfire. All right, if you like this video, please click subscribe at the bottom of your screen and we'll see you next time. Next time we're going to be talking about fire pit design.